Presenting different types of dishes. You've now seen how to deliver regular plates to the table. Depending on the style of service at your establishment, you may also be required to deliver other types of dishes to your guests. Let's take a look at some examples. Number 1. Amuse-bouche. Number 2. Platters and tapas. And number 3. Tiered trays. Let's start by looking at placing amuse-bouche. An amuse-bouche is a very small dish, often provided to guests at fine dining restaurants before the starter course. It is not ordered from the menu, but rather chosen by the chef as a complimentary treat. Similar to placing canapés, when you are delivering something to the guest that they have not ordered, you must inform them of exactly what they are eating. Pay particular attention to common allergens, such as nuts, shellfish, and fish. Next, let's look at platters and tapas. You may have dishes on your menu that are meant to be shared, such as platters or tapas. Tapas-style food consists of various dishes meant to be shared amongst the guests. For example, guests may order some bread with cheese, some cold meats, and bowls of olives. When delivering tapas or platters to the table, check that there is space in the middle of the table to place them. When placing these dishes, always think of guest comfort and where the guests will most easily reach the food. With larger tables, if the guests have ordered more than one portion of the same tapas, make sure that you place them at different positions at the table. This way, everyone can reach and enjoy the different delicious foods. Finally, let's look at placing tiered trays. Similar to platters, when placing tiered trays of bonbons, for example, place it somewhere where the guests can reach it comfortably. However, because these trays are sometimes quite high, be careful not to place it somewhere where it will block the guests' view of each other. Rather, place it to one side of the setting, within easy access of the guest. So in this lesson, we looked at the following dishes: amuse-bouche, platters and tapas, and tiered trays. Think about the menu at your establishment. Do you have any dishes that require special placement? Be sure to know which these are so that you can prepare when the guest orders them.